A rising stock price doesn't always mean a company is doing well. It might look successful, but could be losing money behind the scenes. So how do investors know? They don't guess. They check financial statements. That's where you see the real story, what the company earns, owns, and owes. Think of it like an X-ray for a business. When investors analyze a company, they need more than just stock price movements. Prices in the stock market change every second, but those changes do not always reflect the real strength of a business. Financial statements provide the factual data investors need. They reveal whether a company is profitable, financially stable, and capable of growing in the future. By studying these reports, investors can make decisions based on evidence rather than speculation. Every investor should understand 3 key financial statements. The first is the income statement, which shows how much revenue and profit the company generates. The second is the balance sheet, which shows what the company owns and what it owes. The third is the cash flow statement, which tracks how cash moves in and out of the business. Together, these 3 reports provide a complete picture of a company's financial situation. Financial statements allow investors to evaluate companies objectively. Instead of relying on opinions or market hype, investors can analyze real numbers. They can see whether revenue is growing, whether profits are improving, and whether debt levels are manageable. By studying these reports carefully, investors gain deeper insights into the company's performance. This information helps them make more informed investment decisions. Although the 3 financial statements are different, they are closely connected. The income statement shows profitability, the balance sheet shows financial strength, and the cash flow statement shows liquidity. Together, they reveal the complete financial story of the company. Analyzing only one statement can provide an incomplete picture. Investors often examine all 3 to understand how the business truly operates. Revenue is the starting point of most financial analysis. It represents the total money a company earns from selling its products or services. Growing revenue often indicates increasing demand for the company's offerings. However, high revenue alone does not guarantee success. Companies must also manage expenses efficiently to turn revenue into profit. Profit represents the money left after all expenses are paid. Expenses may include operating costs, employee salaries, marketing, taxes, and interest on debt. Companies aim to increase profit by growing revenue and controlling costs. Consistent profit growth is often a sign of a healthy and efficient business. Investors pay close attention to profitability trends over time. Financial strength is reflected in a company's assets and liabilities. Assets are everything the company owns. This may include cash, buildings, equipment, inventory, and investments. Liabilities represent what the company owes. This includes loans, unpaid bills, and other financial obligations. Understanding these elements helps investors evaluate the company's stability. Profit is important, but cash flow is equally critical. A company may report profits but still struggle if it lacks sufficient cash. Cash flow tracks the actual movement of money in and out of the business. It reveals whether the company can pay employees, suppliers, and debt obligations. Strong cash flow is often a sign of a financially healthy company. Financial statements also promote transparency in financial markets. Public companies must report accurate financial information to regulators and investors. These reports are audited to ensure reliability. This transparency helps build trust between companies and shareholders. Without financial reporting standards, investors would struggle to evaluate businesses fairly. Companies usually publish financial statements on a regular schedule. Quarterly reports show financial performance every 3 months. Annual reports summarize the entire year's performance. Quarterly reports help investors track short-term progress. Annual reports provide a broader view of long-term performance. Both types of reports are valuable for investors. A single financial report provides limited information. Investors often compare multiple years of financial data. This helps them identify important trends. Is revenue growing consistently? Are profits increasing or declining? Is the company accumulating too much debt? Trend analysis provides deeper insights into the company's direction. Financial statements also allow investors to compare companies. Businesses in the same industry often compete with one another. By comparing revenue growth, profitability, and financial strength, investors can identify stronger companies. These comparisons help investors allocate their capital more wisely. Investors often use financial ratios to analyze financial statements more effectively. Ratios simplify complex data into easy-to-understand metrics. They help investors evaluate profitability, efficiency, and financial stability. For example, ratios can show how profitable a company is relative to its revenue. They can also reveal whether the company carries too much debt. Financial ratios make analysis faster and more insightful. Although financial statements are powerful tools, they also have limitations. They mainly reflect past performance rather than future outcomes. They may not fully capture intangible assets such as brand value or innovation. Economic conditions and industry changes can also affect future performance. Therefore, investors use financial statements alongside other forms of analysis. Financial statements don't just show numbers. They reveal how a company is actually being run. By looking closely, investors can see where the money is going and how the company is investing in its future. For example, higher spending on research, marketing, or expansion can signal a focus on long-term growth. On the other hand, cost-cutting might show a shift toward efficiency or stability. Over time, these patterns help investors understand the company's strategy and evaluate the decisions made by its leadership. At first, financial statements may look complex and overwhelming. They contain many numbers, categories, and accounting terms. But with practice, investors learn how to interpret these reports effectively. Understanding financial statements becomes a valuable skill for evaluating companies. Over time, these reports start telling a clear story about the business. Each financial statement tells a different part of a company's story. The income statement shows how much profit the business is making over time. The balance sheet gives a snapshot of what the company owns and owes, revealing its overall financial strength. The cash flow statement tracks how money moves in and out of the business. Looking at just one doesn't give the full picture. But when you put them together, they help you understand how the company operates, grows, and manages its finances. Understanding financial statements is one of the most valuable skills an investor can have. They give you the ability to evaluate a company on your own, without relying on opinions, hype, or market rumors. Instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on real data. By reading financials, investors can spot strong, well-managed businesses, and avoid the ones that only look good on the surface. Over time, this skill builds confidence, improves judgment, and leads to better long-term investment decisions. Let's quickly review the main ideas from this lesson. Financial statements are essential tools for evaluating companies. There are 3 key reports every investor should understand. The income statement shows profitability. The balance sheet shows assets and liabilities. And the cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash. Together, these reports reveal the financial health of a business. Now that we understand why financial statements matter, the next step is the income statement, the report that shows how a company earns revenue, manages expenses, and generates profit over time. It's the first step in understanding a company's true performance and financial health. In the next episode, we'll break down each part of the income statement and see how investors use it to evaluate a business and make smarter decisions.